In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so your website or landing pages can use your own branded domain instead of a generic one. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and you're on any main dashboard page. Look towards the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. This gear represents your settings. Go ahead and click that icon to open the main settings area. This is where all the configuration options for your account live. Once you're inside the settings panel, look over to the left-hand side. You will see a vertical menu with different sections. Find the section labeled Tools. This is where HubSpot groups many of the features you use to manage your content and assets. Click on Tools to expand that part of the menu. Under Tools, you'll see several categories. The one we need is Content. Click on Content to reveal all the settings related to pages, blogs, and anything that lives on your website. Taking a moment to open the right menu here makes it much easier to find your domain options later. Within the Content section, there will be an option called Domains and URLs. This is the central place where you manage which domains are connected to HubSpot and how they're used. Go ahead and click on Domains and URLs. After a second, you'll be taken to a page that lists any domains that are already connected, along with buttons and links for adding new ones. On this Domains and URLs page, look for a button that says Connect a Domain. This is usually near the top right or near the list of existing domains. Click on Connect a Domain to start the guided setup process. Next, HubSpot will ask you what type of domain you want to connect. You might see options for things like a primary website domain, a landing page domain, or email sending domains. Carefully choose the option that matches how you plan to use this domain. If you're not sure, think about whether this domain will host your main website, just specific landing pages, or something else like blog content. After you've selected the type of domain, you'll see a button labeled Connect. Click Connect to confirm your choice and move into HubSpot's step-by-step wizard, where you'll be guided through any remaining setup, like updating your DNS records with your domain provider. Once that's done, your domain will be successfully connected to HubSpot and ready to use.